Hello, this is a lesson help video for lesson 208, polynomial operations. So the operations of polynomials are very similar as we discussed earlier in the module when we talked about operations of complex number. Okay, it's the very same concept. So here, when we have adding, we can go ahead and just get rid of the parentheses. And now we're going to combine like terms. So like terms we have our 2x and negative 2x and 1 and 1 and 3. 2 to the x to the 5th. Okay, we're always going to write in descending order. So x to the 4th comes next. And then we'd have our x to the 3rd. So 3x to the 3rd. There is no x squared. And then negative 2x and negative 2x is negative 4x. And then we have negative 2. Notice I don't change, when I added the negative 2x and negative 2x, I don't change the power, I just change the number in front. That's a very important concept when we talk about adding. So let's practice with subtracting. So we're going to distribute that negative to each part. So we'd have 3x squared plus 2x minus 9 minus x squared plus 4x and minus 2. All the signs change. So the like terms here, we have the 3x squared and the negative x squared. So we would get 2x squared. Notice only the number in front changed. The 2x and the 4x are alike, so we get 6x. Again, the number in front changed, but the variable did not. And lastly, negative 9 and negative 2 would be negative 11. We're always going to write these in descending order. All right, this symbol means to multiply. So we're going to multiply f, which is x squared plus 2, times g, which is 9x minus 3. Whenever we have binomials, we're going to FOIL. So x squared times 9x is 9x cubed. X squared times 3 is negative 3x squared. 2 times 9x is 18x. And 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Let's check to see if we have any like terms. X cubed, x squared, x, in which we do not. So this is our most simplified answer. All right. Now, this one's a little bit trickier because it's not a binomial binomial. So we're just going to distribute everything that's in this first parentheses into the second. So we're going to start with the 3x squared, and we're going to multiply it by everything in that next term. So the 3x squared times 2 would be 6x to the 3rd. And the 3x squared minus the 6 is negative 18x squared. Now we're going to multiply the negative 2x by everything in the next term. So we'd get minus 4x squared and then plus 12. Now lastly, we're going to distribute the 4 to everything in the next column. So we'd have plus 8x minus 24. So we need to find some common terms. We have the x squared. So we'd get negative 22 x squared. And then we have the 8x. And then the 12 and the negative 24 combine to be negative 12. And that is your most simplified answer. If you need more help, please contact your instructor.